are going to discuss the topic about wavelength converters. What is wavelength converters? Wavelength converters is a device that convert the input wavelength into another output wavelength. Okay, that is, it's a device that convert the input wavelength to another output wavelength. This is the definition of wavelength converters. That is, wavelength converter is a device that converts the input wavelength to another output wavelength, and it can be classified based on the input and output. And it is classified into 4 types based on this input and output. That is, first one is, it can be classified into 4 types based on this input and output. First one is fixed input and fixed output. Fixed input and fixed output. Next one is fixed input and variable output. Variable output. And third one is variable input and fixed output. And fixed output. And the last one is variable input and variable output. Okay, wavelength converters. From the name itself we know converters means it is converting. That is, it is a device that converts the input wavelength to another output wavelength, and it can be classified based on this input and output. There are 4 types. That is, fixed input and fixed output, fixed input and variable output, variable input and fixed output, variable input and variable. 4 fundamental ways to achieve these wavelength converters. That are, first one is optoelectronic approach. Optoelectronic approach. Second one is optical gating. Third one is interferometric. And the last one is wave mixing. These are the 4 ways. There are 4 ways to achieve these wavelength converters. What means optoelectronic approach, optical gating, interferometric and wave mixing. First we are going to discuss about optoelectronic approach. Optoelectronic approach. Okay, from the name itself we can know that optoelectronic means it will convert the optical signal to electronic signal. That is, it's a device that converts the optical signal to electronic signal. That is known as photodetector. Okay, photodetector. Photodetector means converts optical signal to electronic signal. It's a device converts optical signal to electronic signal. Okay, optoelectronic means is a device that converts the optical signal to electronic signal. That is known as photodetector. And here we are going to discuss about 3 main types of optoelectronic approach. That is, first one, without reshaping and retiming, second one with reshaping and without retiming, and third one with reshaping and with retiming. Okay, first type, there are 3 types of optoelectronic approach. First one means without reshaping and retiming. That is, in the diagram I will explain this one. Photodetector, amplifier, laser driver, and laser output. This is first type. Second type, photo detector, and here this is noisy signal, and here amplified signal. And second type, photo detector, that is with reshaping and without retiming. Okay, amplifier, gate, that is reshaping. Reshape. Laser driver, laser. Okay, here noisy signal. And third type, with reshaping and retiming. Photo detector, amplifier, and here gate. Here retiming also having, so here timing, time recovery, and here this will go here, clock, and here performance monitoring. Next one, laser driver, laser. And last one, laser. Okay, there are three types, main types of optoelectronic approach. That is, first, now these are the three types. First one, without reshaping and retiming. First one means without reshaping and retiming. And second one means with reshaping and without retiming. And third one means with reshaping and retiming. These are the three types of optoelectronic approach. That is, first one, without reshaping and retiming. Here, mainly optoelectronic approach, first type without reshaping and retiming means, here we are it uses this, first type uses the variable input and fixed output. That is, photo detector means we all know, already I explained that, it converts the optical signal to electronic signal, that is, photo detector converts the optical signal to electronic signal to this amplifier. And what is the purpose of this amplifier means, here when we are converting this optical signal to electrical signal, noisy signal will be appear. So in order to reduce this noisy signal, amplifier is used. Amplifier mainly amplifies this noisy signal and produce the amplified signal to the laser driver, and fixed output will be performed by laser. Okay, laser means it will retransmit and regenerate the fixed wavelength. That is the use of laser. Fixed output, variable output can also be achieved by this laser by using the tunable laser. But here we are not using the tunable laser. So mainly optoelectronic approach, these three types uses the variable input. That is, here variable inputs are we are giving without reshaping and retiming, with reshaping and without retiming, and with reshaping and retiming. These variable inputs are giving, but our output will be same. Okay, fixed output, that is laser. Okay, second type, with reshaping and without retiming. Here also we are giving photo detector as the input, that is variable input. Here noisy signal will be present. When we are converting this optical signal to electrical signal, amplifier will amplify this noisy signal, and here reshaping is present. Reshaping can be performed by using this gate. Gate will perform the reshaping. That is, gate means it will phase filter. Okay, here it will, reshaping means phase filter will be achieved. Reshaping can be achieved by gate, that is phase filter, and this gate will perform this laser driver and the fixed output laser will be obtained. And last type is with reshaping and retiming. Here also the same process continues, but here also noisy signal will be present and reshaped and retiming also present. Here see time recovery clock. Clock means retiming. Okay, these are performed by this third type. Okay, in shortly we want to discuss this optoelectronic approach. Means it's a device converts this optical signal to electronic signal, and its performance is better than any other, and it is low cost. And here it will have three types: without reshaping and retiming, with reshaping and retiming, and without reshaping and retiming. Okay, these are the three types of this optoelectronic approach. And here optoelectronic approach uses the variable input, that is these are variable input, but fixed output will be obtained. Okay, that is the laser will be performed at the output, that is about this optoelectronic approach. Next we are going to discuss about second type, that is optical gating. Second ways to achieve this wavelength converters.